Let's take a look at the HDR settings. Similar to the gobos, we have different categories. To start adding an HDR, we can choose select the one that we want from the thumbnail. In here you can also open the folder with the different HDRs. And of course you can create your custom folder. And we can go into that folder and maybe add custom HDR. If we go back, we also have a button to set a random HDR from the category. If you happen to have a light and you want to only see the influence of the light, you can temporarily disable the HDR with this button right here. Now let's look at the different settings for the HDR. We have a setting for the strength. We have different values for the rotation of the HDR. We have a tint color. And we also have a value for the saturation of the HDR. We have in here some settings that will affect the background. In this case, I can make it darker without affecting the actual light of the HDR. I can also blur the HDR. And maybe this is going to look better with this. And I can also modify the perspective of the HDR. If instead you just want a solid color, you can click solid background, and in here you can choose any color you want for your background. If you want to reset the settings, just click reset HDR.